this artist named Denzi. Him come from Belize. Okay. And went to Trinidad. And he did a song with Kman 6. Now, I think this little boy don't understand what he's getting himself into. He put out this song about a day ago, or 2 days, maybe like a day or two ago. And right now, he is the target of the 7. I don't think he understands what he's doing. He leave from Belize, came to Trinidad in the height of the gang war. Young boy, no money, no nothing, and did a song with Kman. I can't even understand what the fuck they're saying in the song. And he's representing the 6 gang. This is fucking crazy. Listen to this.
No spend shelf on the ground heaping up. Girl, I no play with me. Where's the blood clot? What they can me stay with? From million 6 and no virgin. Man to tap it in the face and laugh out.
Now, on a hear a little clip and music because of YouTube and them copyright thing, we don't want to play the tune, but the tune is Denzi featuring Kman 6. And listen, it's one of the worst blood clot tune me ever hear. It's noisy, me can't understand nothing what the man them a say. This little boy, he leave blood clot Belize and come to Trinidad and kill the man them a go kill you. Because right now, me I tell you one thing, you is the target. You think I Kman 6? Now, between you and this man here, now Denzi, you can't flex like Skeng, you know. Cause you see Skeng is a rock star. Remember now, Skeng don't come to Trinidad to do any music with anybody. At the big Tapper Dan, Pressy send for Skeng. Or when Skeng come perform at the big Heavy Dan, then send film come the show. He not just book a ticket and come link up with man and man and then do a video and do a music where you're repping the 6 in a place like Trinidad where the man them a kill half them one another. My youth, you don't have no sense. We can't believe you come from Belize and do some shit like that. Cause you see me personally, me like Belize. Me have friends at Belize. And we have to do some big things at Belize. And when me see you leave Belize and come at Trinidad and link with Kman 6 after you see the man them are dead. Let me tell you something. When me and Denzi are you the man them at Trinidad a program, you better get the fuck up out of Trinidad right about now. Listen to Countryman, you know. Listen to Countryman. You understand? Because you see the chatter out there. You know what the chatter is? The chatter is you're gonna die and go back home in a boat back. Really and truly. Now listen to the tune. And one of the worst blood clean dancehall tune there here. It's noisy, bad production, bad everything about this tune. But to put fun and joke aside, and I'm dead serious as a heart attack, my youth. I was speaking to a friend of mine, and you know, everybody know Countryman like music. Music is my first love. So I you know, we talk about music and whatnot. And we have certain music link. And me and a friend from Trinidad was talking. And for some reason, mentioned Belize, and then my friend told me that a young dude come over from Belize, flew to Trinidad, and drop a song, him and Kman 6. So right away, I was like, are you serious? So I went and I listened to the song, and I was I was nervous for this young man. That's the best word I could use, because I know he flew over from Belize. He not have no link at Trinidad, and then he go link with the two wickedest gang. He link with one of them. Now, if I was this guy and his producer or whoever, if I'm gonna do a song with anybody from Trinidad, gangster like that, they got to fly to Belize. They got to fly to Belize and let them do the song. And then now you over there, and I'm looking at your video, and I'm not judging you or anything, but it just looked like it's a real cheap video. You don't look like you's a don or anything, or you have any money running, and I am not assuming that, and I don't want people to attack me because I said that. The point I'm trying to make is that you made a wrong decision for your career, bro. Because if you're trying to break out and do things, the 6 and the 7 gang artists would be the last people that you do things with, unless, say, 6 gang moved away from Trinidad, or you could have done a song with him in your own country. Let 6 gang come to your country. So now you push badness, and you don't even understand badness. You heard me warn Skeng. Like I said, Skeng's situation is a little bit different than yours. But if you notice Skeng not gonna do no throwing in the man and them thing there. Them have to pay him in big money. Skeng is a rock star. You understand? Even though I'm young and I'm dumb, but me like him. Me still like Skeng. That's why I want him. I like that youth there because he can tell Skeng loves music and he enjoys doing music. When Skeng come on stage, Skeng will leave back in just in brief or in boxers to blow out. The man is Mick Jagger. That's the Mick Jagger of dancehall, and that guy have a lot of potential. So I just have to give Skeng enough big up. Now back to you, Denzi. If I were you, I would pack my stuff and get the hell on out of Trinidad if you didn't already leave, because I heard that usually you get 6 months when you come to Trinidad, so you must get some time. But listen to stupid countryman. You understand? That was a wrong move you make. Now, listen my youth. Denzi. D-E-N letter Z. If you want to do music, because like I said, we're doing some stuff in Belize, and I know people. So if you want to do music and you want to do some things, contact me. You understand? Contact me, because listen, you have over 30 artists dead in a Trinidad, you know. Maybe even more. But I know about 30 4 years. And then it start uptick. Cause you see J-Man dead, this man dead. Look how they did to Walker Down. You understand? Look how they tried to kill Kman 6 2 times. And you watched it played out on TV, on the vlogs, and then you still jump on a motherfucking plane and leave Belize and come to Trinidad and do a really trashy music with Kman 6. Now I looked at your song, and on one channel it did like 2,000 views, and then on a next channel it seems like it had 89 views. On Kman channel it looked like it had nothing. You see what I'm saying? So doing a song with Kman, that don't mean you're gonna bust out and start live this big artist life, and that's not how it works. And not to take anything from Kman has put in his work. You see what I'm saying? He has been around the block. You see him every day posting, talking to his fans. Kman have a lot of fans. You see what I'm saying? So you have to put your work in. And I'm gonna tell you that then Z from Belize, pack up your bag and get the hell on through. If you need to do some music, link Countryman. I can put you on to a good producer, promoter, and when I was celebrating rich, the music budget, I'm a partner in crime when it comes to music. I'm a silent partner, but he knows his shit and him have money. And him a bad boy. You understand? Legit bad boy. Remember me tell you that, my virgin. I'm never call him name. So he's professional, all of that. So yo, when I saw this video and I heard what you're doing, then Z, me have to talk to you. If I feel like yo, if me do voice on this video about what you're doing, I would do you some injustice. So listen, take my warning and get the fuck on through. If next time you're gonna do some video with these guys or whatever, let them fly to your country. I know you want to have the experience to leave out of Belize and fly come to Trinidad and hang out with the baddest gang and do the song with the baddest gang. But that's not gonna make your song boss, and that's not gonna turn you into a superstar dancehall artist. Get with the fucking reality, my youth. Then Z, get the fuck out of Trinidad. You can't say I didn't warn you. And like I said, if you want to do some music, I am actually, when we start doing some shit in Belize and stuff, I'm gonna look you up, because I know you're on Instagram, and I know you are on the social media. I'm gonna look you up, send you my number, and I want to talk to you. Because listen, that was a bad move, and anybody who really care for you and care for your career and care for you as a person, they would have told you that shit. I don't know how you manage to make your flag a blood clot, Trinidad. Listen, go home. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And my youth, me I warn you again, go home your song trashy my youth, straight up.